Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel friend. Today I will tell you how to earn money online from mobile application. So guys, this is the today video is very important for you if you want earn money from online. So this is video for you. So guys, I request you watch the video start to end because I will tell you all information about online earning new application and I tell you important information and importance of online earning new online earning. So this video for you. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, first of all, if you are new on my channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more new video. So friend, let's start the video. So friend, first of all we are go on the Play Store, like here, go on the Play Store. After go on the Play Store, you search new mobile application right paid work. So guys, after right paid work, you first appear on the top. You click here and I click here, and this application appeared in on the top. You just install it. I have already installed this application, and you install and then open. I have already installed, and now I open this application. So guys, I open this application. This is best application, new application for online earning. So guys, this application is open. So required is here, you required here, you sign up. You should have sign up. You sign in with the Google, and you have a choice, and you also have a choice sign in with Microsoft, and you also sign with enter your email and password, and then click here and sign up. So guys, I sign up. I choice sign up with Google, so I sign up with Google. So guys, I have sign up with my Google email. So guys, then this after sign up, this application is here. So guys, you see here estimated earning today so far $0, yesterday 00, and last 7 days 00, this month 00, and balance 00, because this is a new application for me, and I sign up with the new Gmail and new. So guys, now I tell you how to online earning, how to earn with the online, how to work in this application. So guys, so go on the dashboard here and click here. After clicking here, you go on the second number, earn, second option, earn. So guys, I click here, earn. After clicking here, so guys, this is a play game. You earn money by playing game. So guys, if you get 100 point, you earn $1. If you get 100 point, you earn $1. And if you second option, fill out survey, you earn money with fill out survey. So guys, see, this is the second one. If you have a option, if you want to earn money with playing game, if you want earn money with fill out survey, and third option is watch video. So guys, third option is here if you want to earn money by working watching a video. So guys and fourth one option is online shopping. If you want to earn money with if you are online shopping, then you earn money. So guys first of all I click here on the play game. I click here all $1 all option playing game, fill out survey, and watching video, and online shopping. You get 100 point and earn $1. So guys I click here online play games. So guys after click here you just click on the first after enter here. So guys this is a game, 3-point game, and you just install and play now. So guys all games also appear here. This is game 3-point. You get 3 point if you play this, and up to 22 point to 39 points. So guys all point with the game. You if you get point 100, then you get $1. You earn $1. So guys this is a best application. And third one, if you want to earn money with by watching a video, so you click here. So after click here, many options appear here. I click here, fiber, start watching video. So guys watch the video for 30 seconds to receive 0.6 point. So guys in more information give here. If you watch video 30 seconds, you give you give point 0.6 point. So guys this is very important information. So when you get point 100 point, then you earn $1. So guys this is a very important information. So guys this is a very and online shopping. I click here for online shopping. We check. So guys here if you shopping now, top offer is 34 point 33 33 and 34.84 complete free registration. So guys more you can earn money from online shopping. So guys this is a very important video for you if you want to earn online. So guys today so you hurry up install this mobile application and earn money from this application. Easy work and easy application for you. So guys hopefully you understand my video, you all information, you clear all question. If any question you have not clear, so comment me and ask any question, I give you answer. So guys thanks for watching and goodbye, and waiting for my upcoming new video for more important mobile application. Thanks for watching and goodbye.